Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Chrome download bubble not showing problem. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First thing I recommend watching the video once before trying the solution. To resolve the issue, we will download Chrome's older version and disable automatic updates. To download Chrome's old version, we need to open up browser. You just need to search for Chrome old version, press enter, and now you just need to enter to the SlimJit website. I will also give this description in my video. In here you just need to scroll down. Here is the 32-bit section of download, and here is a 64-bit version of it. In my case I am using 64-bit Windows, that's why I'm downloading this version guys. Make sure you're downloading the version 104. Click on it. Now we have downloaded the old version guys. To install the old version we need to uninstall the up-to-date version of Chrome. To do this you just need to close it off here and go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by to category and select uninstall a program. And in here you just need to search for Google Chrome, right click on it and select uninstall it guys. Select uninstall. We have uninstalled Chrome guys. Now you just need to close it off here. Now let's install the old version of Chrome. For that we just need to open up File Explorer and go to downloads. Open the setup file, double click on it. Now we have installed Chrome guys. As you can see, the browser is asking us to update it in the upper right corner. To prevent automatic updates, we need to disable some Google services guys. To do this, you just need to just minimize this and close it off here and go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, you just need to search for Google service guys. You just need to double click on the Google service one by one and set this to manual and select apply and OK. Do the same thing for all Google service listed over here. Just need to set this to manual and do the same thing for all service listed over here guys. Apply and OK for save changes. There are 3 Google service listed over here in my case. This way Chrome won't be able to update automatically. Now we open our browser and enable or disable the download bubbles guys. Close it off here. Open up Chrome. Now you just need to search for Chrome colon / flags. Press enter. You can also check my video description for this text guys. You can copy it my description, and after that you just need to search here download. Comes up enable download bubble. You just need to click on this drop down and set to enable or disable by your preferences and select relaunch for changes take effect. Now as you can see, can't update Chrome. The Google Chrome can't able to update automatically guys. Now you just need to click on this close option and now you can use the Chrome guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.